Hi all! In this video I'm going to show you how to find and merge duplicate records using the Deduplicate tool. This tool allows you to automatically run an overall check for duplicate records on each module. Let's go over to our leads module, and as you can see for this example, there are two identical leads that have come in, but the phone numbers are different. From the leads module, or for any module, go over to the actions button in the top right hand corner, click and select Deduplicate leads. Here we can select up to a maximum of 3 fields. So let's do that, and we're going to find and merge the duplicates. Zoho CRM will search for all the records in the leads module in which the selected fields are the same. It will then automatically find and merge the exact matches. However, in case of conflicts, you must resolve the conflicts and merge records manually. Here we go, we've had a notification that there's some conflicts, and we want to click on Resolve now. Let's click on View, and it's going to show us the duplicate records here. And as you can see, it's brought up this one with the 2 different phone numbers. Now I know, for example, this phone number is correct. It's the only change, so I'm happy with that, and I'm going to select Merge. That's done, and if we go back over to our leads module, you can see that that duplicate has disappeared and updated with the correct phone number. If you found this useful, please share with your colleagues and like, follow and subscribe to discover our videos as they are released. Thanks for watching.